Money is not the target to earn money. We spoke about this in a previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please follow the link in the description. There may be a saying that money saved is money earned. Money saved is not money earned. If you keep on saving and saving to earn, then when are you going to earn to earn? You have to earn through working, not through saving. Saved money came from earned money only. Money earned should not be saved. Money earned should be put into the business again to earn more. Money saving means cost cutting. Once you start to plan on cost cutting, that means your business is drowning. Come out of mindset of cost cutting, which may reduce the luxury of your business, ambience of work atmosphere. Comfort gets reduced for those who work for you. How the big company is getting bigger? Because the owner doesn't has the mindset of beggar. Focus on expansion, not on cost cutting. Focus on improving, not on saving and saving. You may offer filter coffee for cost cutting. Suppose you offer cappuccino. Chances it may contribute at least 1% of your deal to be closed. You may stop giving parties as cost cutting. Chances you may lose the valuable resource in your system because your company is no more cool. Money saved is not money earned. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. We try to decode on that business in future videos. Continue to watch next on In Business You Can Be Lazy and Sleeping.